My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Xaro, X-A-R-O. This is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. In the video, I will show you what happens with the files after they get damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any troubles. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Xaro ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this Xaro ransomware and its impact on the files. So the ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably, and because of that, it is soon impossible to open these files. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Xaro extension additionally to the file names. So very soon you will see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. As I said, you try to open the specific file, and this is the message that comes up. Windows can't open this type of file with this Xaro additionally appended extension. The same applies to all other files. It's not possible to open them. Anyway, the ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom isn't a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then after it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats, including this ransomware. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin, and Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. It helps to protect your files from further ransomware attacks, of course. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. This anti-ransomware feature does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would help you to decrypt files, by the way. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for protecting your files. Speaking about decrypting the files, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.